Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. If you want to see what looks we create with this bad boy, make sure you stay tuned. I hope you guys are as ready as I am for this video because I'm super pumped for this palette. There she is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad, for buying me this palette. Without him, it wouldn't be possible. There she is in all her glory, all her pretty little mattes and shimmers. Ooh. I didn't do swatches, but she is beautiful, pigmented, and super blendable for you guys. My next video, I'll give you all my input on how I feel about the palette. Here we are, jumping right in, just priming the lid with my favorite concealer, which is Maybelline's Master Conceal. Jumping right into that crease, we're using Soul, which is more of a gray muted tone to it. It's not as purple as you've seen in most of the looks, but these colors are super soft and is super blendable, which makes them super easy to use. Here we are, just using a clean fluffy brush right on those edges just to blend them out so it's nice and seamless. Here we are using our second crease shade in Volatile. We're just packing it in and blending it out as we go. You just want to deepen that crease up so you can see the blend really well. Lord, I almost lost my mirror that I have standing there just so I can see what I was doing. So here we are going in with Passion as our third and final crease color, just to deepen it really well so you can get all that depth and 3-dimension right into your lid. It really helps make everything pop and stand out when you go in to cut it, as you'll see us do in just a few minutes. Another fluffy brush to help make that blend go seamlessly all the way through to keep everything real clean. Here I am using my favorite concealer, which is again Maybelline's Master Conceal, and we're just cutting that crease. You use a concealer brush and you just want to take your time, really draw out that line, and then pull the concealer through slowly. You move too fast, your lines won't be clean and they'll be wobbly and all over the place. So just make sure you really take your time with doing so, and that's what I do. And if you have hooded eyes like I do, you want to take that line right over your crease line. That way you'll be able to see it while your eyes are open. For a semi-cut crease, you just want to pull the concealer over about 3/4 of your lid. Then what I like to use with my finger is blend the edge out so that when you go to add shadow, it's not real chunky and you don't see a defined line. I also like to take my finger and blend over the lid so there's not too much concealer on my lid. Now as we start to add our shadows to our cut crease, I like to take a flat brush and pat our eyeshadows along that line first to make sure it's nice and set really well, and I pull the extra shadow over just a little bit, and then as I go I add some in and I pat it just a little bit. Now the 3 colors we're using over our semi-cut crease will be, from the inner corner will be Dreamer, then Rose Gold, and then Drama on the outer corner to buff it out. As you can see, I'm using the same brush to go over both these colors and blend them together. All you want to do is ever so lightly go over the top with the same brush or a clean fluffy brush just to blend them. I went to go apply Drama, and boy, let me tell you, the fallout was crazy. Of course, all the other colors I used were pretty light, and with the shadows being so soft and so blendable, you're going to get fallout. There's just nothing you can do. It was all over the palette, but there's always pros and cons to everything, right? But these were super blendable and I really love the way this look came out. Again, you can see me blending these 2 colors together using brush, patting very gently or swiping back and forth extremely gently just so they blend seamlessly. My love for Suva Beauty is so real. Here I am using one of their Hydra liners in rose gold, which is actually one of their chrome liners, which I love. All you have to do is add some water and there you go. They're ready to go. And after that they will dry down and it's like nothing ever happened. Super dope. And I love them, and they were perfect pop of color for this look that looks like it's a mixed metal look. Here we are going with Makeup Revolution's Pro HD Contour Kit. This is the Light Fair one, and this is more of a cool toned palette. Since the eyeshadow palette from Anastasia was so cool toned, I thought I'd make sure I would get a cool toned contour palette out as well, so my face wasn't too warm. Here we are going with the Sweet Glowkit by Anastasia. We're using Marshmallow, which is one of my favorite gold shades to use because I am so fair and it's very few golds that I can actually use. Now I didn't put my blush in here because I had to do a McDonald's run for the kids in the middle of all this, and I only had my eyes done, no lashes, no contour, but I threw some blush on. So I used Tarte's Amazonian Clay Blush in Party, which I will have listed down below in the description box for you, even though it's not showed here for you today. Let us take a note right here for you. This is my favorite lip combo and has been for a long time. I am not a neutral girl, but Morphe's Sweet Liquid Lip has been everything. I'm really just loving them lately. But then I like to go in with Shop Miss A's a Diamond Gloss patted on top, and it really just gives you that bomb ass pouty lip, and I can't get enough of it this year, and I'm just about it. I have all 12 of Shop Miss A's diamond glosses, and they are to die for, and they don't have a ton of pigment. They just give you a little pop, a little pout, and a little like ba boom, and I love them. I can't tell you enough great things about them, and you have enough for neutrals, everyday, whimsical, you name it, you got it. They're bomb. Go get them for $1 each. You need all 12 as well. Girl. The Foxy Babes lashes in Mariposa are just gorgeous. They're full, they're 3D, they're mink, I believe. They're so easy to put on. I just love them. I'm so glad they allowed me to pick out some. You guys really need to check them out. They're gorgeous. Their packaging is gorgeous. They're super sweet, super affordable. Go get them. I'll put them down in the description box too for you. Woo-hoo. I hope you guys are loving the Norvina palette as much as I am. I'll have another tutorial up about it for you this week with all the inside scoop about how I feel about pros and cons and everything I've been seeing all over social media. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like the video. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!